Hi friends, I am Samin Naik, the great motivational speaker. I want to speak today about coronavirus. Particularly, don't be fear uh, as the media create the fearness all over, not only all over India, all over the world. The coronavirus spread, but the thing is that is is there a particular medicine or is there a particular vaccine for cure? No, but people are automatically cured. The thing is that it's all about our immunity boost. So increase our immunity power. The great Dr. Biswar Rai Chaudhary, I always follow him, and I suggest all of you follow the Dr. Biswar Rai Chaudhary. There is a group of Dr. Biswar Rai Chaudhary all over India, not only all over India but also all over the world, and he proved that he write a books named Nice. You can search, and he proved 5,000 patient cured only DIP plan, 3 days DIP plan. He always ask about in social media. There is lots of video of Biswarap Rai Chaudhary. So only 3 DIP plan, sorry, 3 days DIP plan followed, not any medicine, only the food, means like we eat and we boost our immunity in the DIP plan. You can see all the details of 5,000 patient, 2 years to 87 years. There is all the patient, like all the detail in the book. If you want to see, if you are not faith me, then you can see the books in Google, and I also give the link in my description. You can see the description link, and you can sure that all the proof there. But thing is that why government not approve Dr. Biswar Rai Chaudhary? Even Dr. Biswar Rai Chaudhary go to Supreme Court, and Supreme Court say the thing is that he don't interfere about the matter, because this is means all over worldwide. So that the thing is that recently I saw the video of Biswar Rai Chaudhary. He mentioned that 20,000 patient, according him, all over cured through DIP plan. So I request you, if you feel that you have fever and you have feel that you are positive, so don't test. Okay, don't test and don't fear. Only you just apply 3 days DIP plan, and you completely cure 3 days to 5 days. Just listen me carefully. I also link the detail. If you feel that you have fever, so first day you need your body weight divided by 10. Your body weight, suppose my body weight is 70, and divided by 10 means 70 divided by 10 equal to 7. 7 glass of coconut water. You only drink 7 glass of coconut water and 7 glass of fruit juice only, or you can't eat anything. First day, this is your treatment, and second day same thing. You just your body weight divided by 20. As my body weight 70 divided by 20, it's three and a half. So I take 4 glass of coconut water and 4 glass of fruit juice. You can drink water also. And the third day same, you take your body weight divided by 30. As my body weight 70 divided by 30, it's 2.5. So I take 3 glass of coconut water and 3 glass of fruit juice. And as third days, you can't completely alright. If you are positive, then you are alright. It's not say by me, it's say by the greatest Dr. Biswarup Rai Chaudhary. He is intelligent because he has the Greenwich Book record of sharp mind, and also there is fastest push-up record in the Greenwich Book. He has the command of diabetes to cure in 24 hours. There is also some DIP plan. And another thing I share all of you. According to Dr. Biswarup Rai Chaudhary, we all are using mask. But do you think mask protect us? No. Actually, he proved that mask, if we use the mask, then we are suffering from lots of another disease. Because if we use regular basis mask, then yes, we are suffering. Because I personally saw lots of people, they are not using mask, boundly they are using, because the government announced that if you are not using the mask, then you have to pay 500, 1000. So people are forcefully use the mask, because mask is not protect you from the coronavirus. It's proven. So why you use the mask? So I request, don't use the mask. And sometime we are forcefully, me also forcefully use the mask when there are lots of place where the police ban check mask. But the thing is that if we all are make this type of video and create awareness, then in the social media the people know the actual truth of coronavirus. Okay. And the thing is that so I request all of you, please don't use the mask and burn the mask immediately. Because if you want to know more and more, please check the description. I give you description 100% proof, like why we are not using mask, and what type of virus, like coronavirus, just a common cold virus. And so more information you can follow Dr. Biswarup Rai Chaudhary. It's my kindly request all of you. Thank you so much, friends. I just make this video for create awareness. So I hope you all listen it and see the video and share the video in WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram, and like it. So thank you so much, friends. I hope you all must understand my words.